really cool Father's Day card. And we're going to be drawing the SpaceX Dragon Capsule as the focus. And I'm really excited to make this. My dad loves space, so I feel like this is a perfect card to get him for Father's Day. So for materials, we have quite a few things. We have ruler, pencil, eraser, markers, and I have a metallic marker for kind of the background. We have scissors, and also I have a spray bottle of paint, which I'll get to in a minute. We have white cardstock, which I fold in half, and black cardstock. So let's get started. So this is going to be the main part of the card. I've unfolded it, so it's going to look like this when we're finished. It's going to open like that. But right now, I'm going to leave it like that. I've got my spray bottle, and I'm going to make stars. Will look kind of like stars. Hopefully this works out. All right, so I'm going to leave that to dry for a little bit. And I've got my white cardstock to do my main drawing. So let's get started. Okay, so we're doing the top of the capsule right now. I'm going to make a line like that. I'll make a line right across. It's okay if you don't want to use a ruler. So I'll make the nose. It's a curved line. And I'm going to retrace these lines just right above it. All the way down like that. I'm going to make the door. I'm going to make two small windows. And I'm going to write SpaceX right on the top. And we're going to write dragon at the bottom. Now, there's a dragon logo. But I'm going to draw it with pencil. So just like that, but I'm going to trace it now with my black pen. So you'll be able to see it. just like that. So for the next step, we're going to make like the flames coming out of the rocket. So I'm going to get my ruler. So I'm going to get my pen and I'm going to make a line just like this. I'm going to make actually a dot to where I know it's going to be. So right about there. And then the other part of it's going to go a little bit smaller though, about right there. And same thing for the other side. Now we're going to make the bottom part, it's called the trunk of the capsule. And I'm going to put a line like this. Put a line on an angle like that. And make two straight lines. One like this. One like that. I'm going to make a straight line coming down here, connecting the end of there to the flame. Same thing with right here. So we're going to make the other side of the flames now. So I'm going to put a straight line like this. And I'm going to go on a diagonal line like that. And the same thing for the other side. So I finished coloring. I think it looks great so far. So the next step is to cut out the space capsule. Awesome. So I finished cutting it out. It looks really good. And if you needed help with your cutting, please ask a grown-up or someone else to help you. So we're going to glue it on our background now. And it's okay if you didn't have a spray bottle filled with paint. I just had it and it was easily accessible and I thought it looked really cool, but you can draw your own stars if you want. So I'm going to glue this on to my black background. Okay, that looks fantastic. So the last step I'm going to do is a message, and you can write whatever you want. The inside is more personal. It's going to be a space-themed message. So I have my metallic Sharpie I'm going to use, and I'm going to write Dad, you're out of this world. I think it's pretty fitting for the Spacex Dragon Capsule. I think it's really cool. So the cool thing about making cards for Father's Day is that it doesn't have to be just for a father. It doesn't have to be for your dad. It can be anyone whom you love, takes care of you, and you just want to send a special loving message. It can be a grandparent, an uncle, a family friend. It could be anyone. So I hope everyone enjoyed this video and making your cards. I certainly did, and I'm really excited to give this card to my dad for Father's Day. I think he'll really enjoy it.